Let us find the formula for the sum of cubes of the first n natural numbers. Consider the expansion n plus 1 whole power 4. We get n power 4 plus 4n cube plus 6n square plus 4n plus 1. If I subtract n power 4, I get n plus 1 whole power 4 minus n power 4 is equal to 4n cube plus 6n square plus 4n plus 1. If I replace n by n minus 1, we get n power 4 minus n minus 1 power 4 is equal to 4 into n minus 1 cube plus 6 into n minus 1 square plus 4 into n minus 1 plus 1 and so on. I get 2 power 4 minus 1 power 4 is equal to 4 into 1 cube plus 6 into 1 square plus 4 into 1 plus 1. If I add these n equations, telescoping occurs and we get n plus 1 whole power 4 minus 1 power 4 is equal to 4 into, this part is the summation, so 4s plus 6 into summation of the first n squares, which is n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 6 plus 4 into sum of the first n natural numbers plus sum of n ones. From here 4s would be equal to n plus 1 whole power 4 minus n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 minus 2n into n plus 1 minus of n plus 1. Continuing, we get 4s is equal to, if I take n plus 1 common, we would get n plus 1 whole cube minus n into 2n plus 1 minus 2n minus 1. This would be n plus 1 into n plus 1 whole cube minus, if I take 2n plus 1 common from this term and this term, I would get n plus 1. Now we get another n plus 1 factor outside. This would be n plus 1 whole square minus 2n plus 1. N plus 1 whole square, n square, 2n minus 2n will get cancelled off, 1 minus 1 will get cancelled off. Therefore, s would be n square into n plus 1 whole square by 4. So sum of the cubes of the first n natural numbers is n square into n plus 1 whole square by 4, which you can observe as the square of n into n plus 1 by 2. So this is nothing but the square of the first n natural numbers.